Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure app preferences on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV to open settings. In settings, go to applications menu. Now in the applications menu, we can change some general preferences. For example, automatic offload. You can enable or disable it. This feature will automatically offload the applications that you don't frequently use after some time of inactivity in order to optimize your storage use. In the App Store menu, we can have access to many different preferences, settings like auto updates, external market links and their usage, enabling or disabling in-app purchases, and we can also enable or disable notifications for the App Store or related to the App Store. Now, going back to applications menu, we can also go to manage installed applications where we can adjust permissions for each app separately. To do that, we're gonna have to select an application that requires some additional permissions, and if it does, you will be able to see the permissions menu once you open this app settings. Now in this case, this application wants us to use files and media on our device, and we can either allow it to do so or deny the access by selecting the respective option. Besides, for each application, we have options like offloading the application, clearing the data of the application, clearing the cache, clearing defaults, and selecting how we want to open supported links, and also managing the checking the list of supported links for this application. Now, that's not all the things that we can do. If we go back to settings, we can also go to preferences, and then we can, for example, go to notification settings here and go to app notifications and disable or enable notifications for each application we have installed on our TV. Besides, I think that's pretty much it. Of course, we can also adjust the application's position on our home screen. To do so, you just have to highlight the application either on your home screen or in your app library, and press menu button on it, and then select move, and this will let you move the application on your apps list. Then press OK when you're done. And the last thing that I want to tell you about is how you check which permissions your app requires on install. Basically, what permissions you give an application once you install it. To do so, we're gonna have to press menu button once we highlighted an application that is not pre-installed on the TV, and then click more info. Now this will basically open the App Store page for this application, and if we go to the very bottom of this page, we'll be able to check permissions, and in permissions menu you'll be able to see all the permissions that this app will require to run. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.